since I got a lot of people inquiring about my hair when I posted this look, here's your answer. It's an Afro drawstring, people, and I think it looks real. So I will link this hair and everything used in this video down in the description. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be using Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream, the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil, the Got to Be Ultra Glue Gel, and some water. So my hair is damp and I've already placed the Melanin Elongating Style Cream into my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put in the Eco Styler Gel. And I'm going to just make my way through my hair. Then I'm going to spray in some water to wet my hair a little more. And I'm going to use the Denman Brush to detangle at the base of my hair and smooth my hair into a high ponytail. Once I have smoothed my hair to the crown of my head, I will secure the hair in place with a scrunchie or a ponytail. Now I'll use the Got to Be glue gel to sleek down and tame any flyaways I may have around the circumference of my head. Then I'll use another scrunchie to keep my hair in place and then flip my hair into a mini pineapple. Now it's time to attach the high puff ponytail. This Afro puff ponytail comes with 2 combs and a drawstring. I placed the puff over my pineapple and I am not going to utilize the combs today. Instead, I will use the drawstring. Pull the drawstring to tighten, lock the drawstring in place, place the excess elastic around the base of the ponytail and tuck the end into the ponytail. You can go ahead and fluff the hair as you desire. You can use a comb if you want. I'm not going to use a comb. I'm just going to use my hands. And then I'm going to do my edges, or attempt to do my edges. And I'm done. I really love this color. And I'm thinking of actually dyeing my hair in the shade. So let me know if you're feeling this color. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will place all the links to everything used in the description below, along with my other videos of sleek hairstyles on short hair and my melanin styling cream reviews. See you in the next one.